Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you all a recipe from the Yellow and Green Farmers Market. There's this Thai place that does really great Thai cuisine, and she's going to be making your green papaya salad. Now she's going to start by adding some fresh garlic and fresh chili peppers, or you can use blue peppers for this. Now she's making this very spicy for the person. You can put one, a half, or how much ever peppers you would like. You take your mortar and your pestle and you're going to pound and soften those peppers and those garlic. Next she goes in with some peanuts, and here we have bodi or long beans as it's called. Usually you can go in with some dried shrimp if you like, but the person that ordered this dish doesn't want any shrimp. They don't want any fish sauce or any tamarind sauce, and those are ingredients that is very popular. She goes in with some salt. Now when you guys are making this, which I'll try to do a recipe, or I have to do a recipe for this, I'm going to do my version of it. I'll be putting all of the ingredients that are supposed to go into this. So now she's going to go in with some sugar. And you're going to pound so that you can blend all of those flavors together. She's cutting one lime and she's adding the juice of the lime together with that skin and everything. So you squeeze the lime and you drop everything in there. So that's 1.5. So mix and pound. Now she's gonna taste it. So the guy that's buying it tasted it, and he thinks that it has just the right amount of salt and pepper. So she's gonna continue. In goes the green papaya and some cherry tomatoes, and she also has some shredded carrots, and she's gonna pound and mix. Now although she's pounding, she's not mashing up the papaya. She's just using it to help infuse the flavors that she created at first into the papaya. And all you have to do next is serve. So guys, look out for my version of this recipe. I'm going to be trying to do it soon for you all. It's a very tasty and flavorful dish. If you've never had it, you have to try it. It's quite amazing. I've had this before in the Maldives and it was really delicious. So I can't wait to recreate this for you all. So thank you all for watching.